Hi everyone, so today I'll show you how you can create a back to previous page using Breakdance page builder. So we will take a section and there will be a button. Here is the button, and let's make this center, and yeah, back to back page, maybe like this one. Okay, so add an icon here. Let's add this one and before, yeah, and from here advanced attribute, just paste this code and name this. So that's it. That's how you can create something your previous page. Wherever you want you are, it will take you to the previous page from the history. So I will paste this code in the description or maybe in comment, so you will get the code, don't worry. So if I go there and if I click now, it will not work, but if I go to dashboard page and the page name is any page back button, yeah, so if I click now and it will be work. So yeah, I think you got it. Yeah, thank you. So this is the short video about, and thank you to Supa Mike who pasted this short code in the Breakdance group. Thank you so much.